Right, so 2017 Honda CRV. Get the engine to come out it. There's a bit of a story to this one. This is already being rebuilt, but it's still having issues. So I've got a used unit there to go in it. So yeah, let's get started. So I'm just going to get started with taking off the exhaust because I've still got it on the ground just now and I'm not quite sure whether I'm going to take the front off and take it out or whether I'm going to drop it out the bottom. But either way the exhaust is going to come off, so I'm just going to start disconnecting some of these plugs just now. Section 1. Gearbox oil out as well. This should lift up and out now. Just dismantled all the suspension and I'm going to take this passenger side drive shaft out. There we go. Just going to take out this, or disconnect the wiring line. So I've already got the cradle out for the ECU here. Just going to take this cover off. Just gonna disconnect some of these fuel lines. Right, gear cables now. So, these stupid little clips. So I decided that I'm going to drop the subframe down rather than take it out from the top. I might just squeeze it out for the top, but for all the effort it's going to be actually to take this off. It's probably going to be much easier and have much less risk, or much lower risk of damaging anything. This bracket off the steering rack. Take that off. Just sling that. The air conditioning compressor has been removed. I've unbolted the clutch slave cylinder there and the bracket from it. Taking off a couple of intercooler hoses. And we're starting to look pretty clear. Got this intercooler hose here as well to come off. These engine mounting points off and fasten it to the driver's side. Here we go. box out. Flywheel. Right, firing harness transferred over. So I've got turbocharger and all this EGR throttle body and all this sort of come off and transfer over as well. So that's engine, new engine in, mostly everything connected up. Just got wiring looms, a couple of hoses, DPF to go back on, and then the subframe. So we'll just get cracking with all of that. I'm just going to stick some engine oil in it just now, and I'm going to fill it with coolant as well. Oil level's filled, the coolant's filled as well, and I've also opened the bleed tap to let some water through. It seems to have fed through okay, so moment of truth. Seems to be building a bit of compression up, so I'm wondering if the tappets have all emptied oil. Fantastic. I think I've finally got to the bottom, so the can see the pressure relief valve for the rail. I think this is stuck open because I've got no fuel pressure whatsoever. Swapped it with the one off the original engine, which I know is good, so with a bit of luck after letting it idle for like a couple of minutes, it's smoothed out quite a bit now. Catch. Pipe down the front now, which still needs secured, but it's sounding good to me. Right, finishing touches now. Just finishing off sticking on these heat shields and air filters and knock up all the bits and pieces. Right, so wheels on and then I can get this out for a spin. So that's all the plastic under trays. Here we go. So no warning lights. Everything all sounds good, all the levels are okay. I'm just a matter of giving it a spin now.